Now let's say the verb for to say or to tell. Do you know how to say in French just to say? To say is dire. It relates to dictation, for instance. So we have that D and I, that is dit in French. So in the infinitive, the verb for to say or to tell is dire. And when you conjugate dire with singular pronouns, you remove the R sound and you just hear dit. So can you say you say with the informal you? Just that, just you informal say. Tu dis. And now can you say that you take the program. So with the informal you. So it's a bit longer, but still think block by block. It's only 2 blocks that are simple blocks. There's no trap. So can you say in French, you informal say that you take the program. Tu dis que tu prends le programme. And here be careful, in this sentence we have the that in the middle of a sentence. So the that of connection. That is que and it's mandatory. In English, you can skip the that. You could just say you take the program. But in French, you can't do that. That sounds weird in French. You really have to say que to make a proper sentence in French. So, tu dis que tu prends le programme. Now can you say that you take it. And here the it again represents the program. So really think block by block, don't rush. Focus on the ideas that you mean one by one and say in French, you informal say that you take it.